Hello students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7th. In the previous video, we have completed our exercise 2E. Now today I am going to discuss with you topic rounding of decimal fractions. Before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe. So whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification. Don't forget to write your name, class and section in comment box for daily attendance. Right? So now let's start with the topic rounding of decimal fraction. As we had learned how to round off numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands place. For example, 9873. If you have to convert this number to the nearest hundreds, so it's hundreds places ones, tens, hundreds places 8. Clear? So in that case you will check the right hand side next number. So its right hand side next number is 7. Clear? Which number you have to change, its right hand side next number you have to check. If that number is greater than or equal to 5, then you have to add that in that rounding of number 1, and rest of all the numbers become 0 on right hand side. So here you can see its right hand side next number is 7, so which is greater than 5. Clear? If it is greater than 5, that means here you have to add 1. What you will write? 8 plus 1, 9. So your number becomes, what will be the answer? Your numbers becomes 9900. So this 8 you will write as 9 and rest of right hand side numbers become 0. Clear? If you have to convert this same number to nearest tens, so ones, tens, that is 7 you have to convert. Then you have to check its ones place, means next right hand side number. So that is 3, and 3 is less than 5. So in that case no change. So what you will write? You will write 9870. That number remains the same. That tens place number remains the same and ones place becomes 0. That you have done in your previous class. Right? Similarly, we can round off decimals to the nearest tenths, hundredths and thousandths. Clear? So just do rounding of decimal fractions. First point, if you have to convert decimal numbers, so first rule is, if the digit on the right of rounding place is equal to or greater than 5, then we add 1 to the digit at the rounding place. Same. Clear? Then if the number which we are rounding, that number is equal to or greater than 5, that means we have to add 1 to the digit and rest digit becomes 0. Clear? But in decimal number there is no value of 0, so at the end we will not write. It will be more clear. Next, second point is, if the digit on the right of the rounding place is less than 5, then do not change the digit at the rounding place. Clear? If the number is less than 5, then no change. Clear? Third point, do not write the remaining digits to the right of the rounding place. Here, in that case, when decimal numbers will not there, whole number, in that whole number we have to write next numbers in zeros. Clear? We will write, but in decimal we will not write. It will be more clear when you will do some examples. So I have taken your exercise 2F. From 2F exercise, first numerical. Just see, round off the given numbers to the nearest tens place. Now you have to convert that number to the nearest tens place. So which is the tens place here? In that number 2.978, its tens place is 9. Clear? So 9 you have to round off. So you have to check 9s next to 9, next to 9 right hand side number, that is 7. Clear? And here you can see 7 is greater than 5. So in that case you have to add on that number 1, on that digit which you have to round off, you have to add 1, it becomes 10. So when it becomes 10, so what you will write? 9 becomes 10, so you will write 0 only, and 1 will be carried, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3.0, and next all digit becomes 0, like this. Okay? So but in decimal numbers we will not write the remaining digit to the right of the rounding place. So no need to write these zeros. So only 3 will be the answer. Is it clear? Now next numerical is 4.013. In that case its tens place is 0, that you have to convert. So you have to check zeros next digit on right hand side, that is 1. Now you can see 1 is less than 5. If 1 is less than 5, then no change. Clear? In the digit. So no change in the digit, you will write 4.0 as it is 0. And all these digits become 0, but we will not write 0. Clear? So only 4 will be the answer. Is it clear? Now in second numerical, round off the given number to the nearest hundredths place. So now first check the hundredths place. Here hundredths place is tens, hundredths. Hundredths place is 0. Clear? So now right hand side number you have to check. Its right hand side next digit is 9. So 9 is greater than 5. So in that case 1 you have to add here. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Clear? So what will be the answer? 2.71. And next 0 you no need to write. Clear? So this is the only answer. Is it clear? Now check for the next digit, 34.712. Now check its hundredths place first. Its hundredths place is tens, hundredths, that is 1. So check its right hand side next number, that is 2. Here 2 is less than 5. Clear? So no change. So what will be the answer here? 34.7. 1 remains 1 only. No change. You will not add 1 here. Clear? And this is the only answer. Clear beta? If you are writing 34.710, this is not incorrect. Okay, this is also correct. But we will write like this only. Because there is no value of 0 after that. Clear? So now come to the third numerical. Round off the given numbers to the nearest thousandths place. Thousandths place. Now check in this number 3.9167. Thousandths places tens, hundredths, thousandths. That is 6. Now check its right hand side next number is 7, and 7 is greater than 5. So here you have to add 1. Clear? So on this rounding of number you have to add 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this number becomes 7. So what will be the answer? 3.91 7. Is it clear? Now next 34.1272. So first check its thousandths place, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. That is 7. Clear? And 7 next right hand side number is 2, and 2 is smaller than 5, right? So what it will be? No change. So answer will be 34.127 only. Clear? This is answer. Now you are able to do this fourth numerical also. In fourth numerical, find the quotient to the nearest hundredths place. So you have to convert quotients hundredths place. Clear? So first you have simply divide. So divide 56 by 11. So first 11 5s are 55. When you will subtract, 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. Only 1 will be there, which is less than 11. So here you have to put decimal. 0 will come. Now you can see 10 is also less than 11. So here you have to put 0. And then one more 0 you have to write. Then 11 9s are 99. When you will subtract, 1 will come. Clear? Here this process you have to do till after hundredths means thousandths place. Clear? Tenths, hundredths place is coming. One more place. Till one more place you have to do this process. Clear? So now 1 is smaller than 11, and then you have to write 0 because you have applied decimal. Now you can see 10 is smaller than 11. Now you have to apply 0 here. Then you will write 100. Clear? Now no need to do. So here quotient is coming 5.090. Clear? Now change. Change the quotient to the nearest hundredths place. Its hundredths place is tenths, hundredths. So this place you have to convert. Clear? Now check its next right hand side number, that is 0, and 0 is less than 5, so no change. So what will be the answer? 5.09 only. In that digit, no change. Clear beta? Now check for next example. Second part. 509 divided by 23. So 509, first you have to divide it by 23. So 23, when you will multiply it with 2, 46 will come. 50 minus 46 is 2. Then write next number, that is 10 minus 6 is 4. Then you will write next number, that is 9. Now again 2 times. When you will multiply, 46 will come. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now 3 is smaller than 23, then you have to put decimal. You will write 0 here. 30 will come. Now 23 ones are 23. Then 7 will come. Clear? Then next 0. Now by which number? 3. 3 times it will be divisible. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. Now when you will subtract, 1 will come. 1 is smaller. Then you have already take decimal. So 10. And 10 is again smaller than 23. So here you have to put 0. Clear? Now no need to do further. It is coming 22.130. Now convert to the nearest hundredths place. Its hundredths place is tenths, hundredths. This place you have to convert. Clear? So now check this place, next number to the right side, that is 0, and 0 is less than 5. So no change in this digit. So answer will be 22.13 only. Is it clear? Now fifth numerical, find the product and round off to the answer to nearest tens place. So first you have to find out the product. Product you know how to do. You have to simply multiply 34.8 with 31.9. Clear? So multiply 9 8s are 72, 7, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 7, 43, then 9 3s are 27 plus 4, 31. Clear? Now you have to multiply it with 1. When you will multiply, 1 8s are 8, 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3. Then next you have to multiply it with 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 14, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. Clear? When you will add 2, 8 plus 3 11, 4 plus 4 8, 9 10, 0, and 4 3 7, 7 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, then 1, then 1. So now you have to put decimal also. So there are two places of decimal, 1 plus 1. Clear? So from right hand side you have to put decimal on, you have to move on left hand side. So 1 2, here decimal will come. So it is coming 1110.12. Clear? Now you have to convert its tens place. So tens place is 1 only. So check this tens place next number to the right hand side, that is 2. So here 2 is smaller than 5. So no change. Answer will be 1110.1 only. Is it clear? Now similarly in this fourth part, again you have to multiply 5.09 with 12. So multiply 12 nines are 108. So 8 you have to write 10 carried, 12 zeros are 0, so you have to write 10. So 10 0 you have to write here, and 1 carried, 12 fives are 60, 60 plus 1 61. Clear? Now check its decimal place. There are only two places of decimal. So here you have to apply decimal. So decimal will come here. So it will become 61.08. Now you have to round off to the answer to nearest tens place. So check its tens place. Tens place is 0. Clear? And zeros next number to the right hand side, that number is 8, and 8 is greater than 5. So in that case you have to add 1. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Clear beta? So it becomes, answer will be 61.0 becomes 1. So 61.1. This is the answer. Clear? Now I am giving you some numericals from the same exercise 2F. Do in home task. First numerical third and fourth part, second numerical third and fourth part, third numerical second and fifth part, fourth numerical third and fourth part, fifth numerical third and fifth part. PDF of this home task is also available in description below. You can check from there, and if any query, then you can write in comment section. Okay, bye.